Freelancing provides an excellent opportunity for individuals to have control over their work, as they can choose to work from anywhere and at any time. This flexibility has led to the growth of the freelancing industry, as it is attractive to many people. If you are interested in becoming a freelancer but are unsure of where to start, you are in the right place. In this video, you will learn about 7 steps that you can take to become a successful freelancer in 2023. Welcome to Money Express YouTube channel as we teach you how to make money online and saving tips. Freelancers are in demand across various industries, and clients are looking for freelancers to solve their problems, regardless of their occupation or skill set. The most popular freelancing jobs in 2022 include software development, writing, digital marketing, web/mobile development, and graphic design. Freelancing offers a choice of various career paths, and the 7 steps provided in the video will help you overcome common challenges faced by new freelancers, whether you choose to pursue it as a part-time or full-time career. 1. Define your service and offering. To start your freelancing journey, you must convert your skills into a service that addresses the problems of potential clients. To do so, you need to understand how your skills can assist the client and the issues they face. It is crucial to keep in mind that clients are seeking a solution to their problems, and to be a successful freelancer, you must understand their situation and apply your service to solve their issues. The foundation of your service offering will be based on the answers to these questions. You should create a brief and concise description of your service that can appeal to potential clients. Explain what you can do, how you can do it, and what type of business or client you can assist. At this stage, you don't need to worry about pricing, as that will be covered in later steps. 2. Find your target audience. Once you have developed your freelance service, the next step is to find the appropriate target audience. This involves identifying the type of clients who would benefit from your service. You should consider if they share common problems or characteristics, or if they are in a specific industry. Simply having excellent skills is not enough to attract clients as a new freelancer. You need to make yourself visible to potential clients so they can learn about your services. Therefore, it's important to take an active role in finding clients. There are 3 primary ways to do this: using freelance job posting platforms, leveraging existing connections and networking, and engaging in marketing, advertising, and outreach. You should determine which of these approaches works best for you to attract the most relevant clients for your services. 3. Develop a pricing structure. After defining your service and target market, determining the right price for your freelance services is crucial. Your aim should be to set a price that is competitive and ensures that you are not losing potential work. One way to determine a fair price is to research what other freelancers in your industry are charging for similar services. However, there are various factors that can impact how much a client is willing to pay, such as your experience, the project's complexity, and the client's location. It's understandable to feel uncertain about pricing, but it's important not to let this stop you from starting. Remember, your rates are not set in stone and can be adjusted in the future. Start with a price that feels comfortable and avoid overthinking it. 4. Create your portfolio with past jobs. To become a prosperous freelancer, it's crucial to create an impressive portfolio. This portfolio serves as evidence of your work quality, displaying your achievements and past projects. It's your chance to exhibit your abilities to potential clients, allowing them to see the value of your expertise rather than just hearing about it. Your portfolio should showcase your best work that relates to your service offering. Every element in your portfolio should demonstrate the contributions you made to the project and how the client benefited from it. Your portfolio can contain case studies, testimonials, data-driven results, images, charts, work samples, and mock-ups. Nonetheless, it's essential to obtain permission from past clients before using their project materials in your portfolio. 5. Write a great proposal. In order to have a successful start as a freelancer, it is important to find a project that matches your skills and experience. Once you have identified a suitable project, It is time to create a proposal, as a well-written proposal can make a significant difference in securing a job. The proposal should effectively promote your abilities by outlining how you can address the company's needs, while also highlighting your credentials and qualifications. It is crucial to remain professional and friendly throughout, and using professional language can help you to stand out. While creating a proposal template can be helpful, the most effective approach is to customize your proposal to each specific client and project. Investing extra time and effort up front can demonstrate your professionalism, enthusiasm, and commitment. 6. Create a relationship with your client. Creating and maintaining positive relationships with clients is crucial for success as a freelancer. Instead of viewing each job as a separate transaction, freelancers should focus on building lasting partnerships with their clients. This approach can lead to repeat business and recommendations to new clients. To create a positive relationship, freelancers should keep in mind the following key points. Do excellent work. To make a lasting relationship with a client, it is essential to provide top-notch work that offers value and resolves the client's issue. Meeting these criteria is crucial for achieving client satisfaction. Communicate with the client. Establishing clear and efficient communication with clients can strengthen your business relationship and increase the likelihood of securing future projects together. Build trust through consistency. Consistently meeting project deadlines and delivering accurate results can establish trust and demonstrate to clients that they can rely on you for future work. Find opportunities to provide more value. If you take charge, find innovative solutions, and willingly accept more tasks, you can exhibit your worth to the client and create opportunities for future collaboration. 7. Continue developing your skills. To be successful as a freelancer, it's important to continuously enhance your abilities, adapt to changes, and broaden your knowledge. Freelancers are hired for their expertise and skills, and keeping up with the latest trends is vital for providing top-notch service to clients. Fortunately, there are various online learning resources, such as LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, Coursera, and even YouTube, which you can use to stay current with the latest knowledge and trends in your field. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.